Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my online presentation class. Hope all of you are very much well in this pandemic situation. Here presenting myself, Sonia Yasmin, lecturer, Department of Agriculture, Milestone College. Today I am going to discuss about chapter number 1, section number 2, that is Source of Agriculture Information and Service of Bangladesh. Source of Agriculture Information and Service of Bangladesh. Here, at the end of this lecture, you will be able to know about source of AIS, Agriculture Educational Institute, Agriculture Research Organizations and their functions, and most importantly, important board questions in related to applied and higher order ability based question. First of all, you have to know about the sources of AIS, I mean Agriculture Information Service. What are the sources or main sources of Agriculture Information Service? There are some sources, that is, one is Experienced Farmer, FFS means Farmers Field School, Farmers Meeting or Yard Meeting, Agricultural Educational Institute, research organizations, obviously in related to agriculture. DAE means Department of Agriculture Extension. AIS, Agriculture Information Service, very much important. NGO means non-government organization, and finally internet. These sources are very much important for your question. Some sources obviously very much important for your comprehensive based question or applied based question. Now, first of all, experienced farmer. This is the primary source of agriculture information service, primary and almost source. In any village, a farmer who are experienced or who provide the knowledge among the other farmers, they are experienced farmers. From experienced farmer, other farmers can gather or can know very much knowledge from them, and they are the primary source of agriculture information service. In your question, in any knowledge based question, there may be a question that what is experienced farmer? Then you can write down that experienced farmers are those which have various knowledge and which can provide their knowledge to the other farmers, to the young generations and the other farmers. Obviously, these experienced farmers are old, and from generation to generation they can gather or earn various kinds of knowledge, such as some important technologies, about some important technologies of various kinds of plant cultivation or various kinds of crop cultivation or various kinds of machineries, etc. So, these are the very much important for any kind of source of agriculture information service. So, this is the important thing. Next, number 2, FFS. FFS. Very much important for your question. What is FFS or what do you mean by FFS? FFS, the full meaning of FFS means Farmers Field School. F means farmers, F means field, and finally S means school. This is a training institute, or from FFS farmers can trained up by agriculture extension officer, and agriculture extension officer can provide the knowledge to the farmers about any kind of crop varieties or machinery technologies, etc. In 335 Upazila, FFS has been established, and obviously this training institute or this school has been established in 20 session, and 50 farmers can join in every session. So, this is very much important for earning knowledge from the experienced one, and the experienced one may be experienced farmer or any kind of government officer such as agriculture extension officer. Now, farmers meeting or yard meeting. This is very much important for your knowledge based and comprehensive based question. What is the question? That is, what is farmers meeting or yard meeting, or what do you mean by farmers meeting or yard meeting? If the question is what is farmers meeting or yard meeting, then this will be knowledge based question. And if the question is what do you mean by farmers meeting or yard meeting, this will be the comprehensive based question, and the answer more or less same, but in case of knowledge based question answer should be one line, and in case of comprehensive based question answer should be 2 para. So you should keep in your mind this statement. Now, what is farmers meeting? A meeting which can be held in every month or necessary time whenever they need in any growth center, then it is called farmers meeting. And what is yard meeting? When a meeting can be held in any farmer's yard or homestead yard, then it is called yard meeting. And obviously this meeting can be held in every month, and agriculture extension officer can be present in this meeting. They can conduct this meeting as a main or chief guest. So this meeting is very much important for gathering knowledge, or this is the third number of source of agriculture information service. Now, Agriculture Education Institute, I will discuss later. This is the name of Agriculture Education Institute, where various kinds of degrees can be provided, such as BS or Honours degree, MS or Master's degree, and obviously PhD, that is Doctorate of Philosophy degree, can be provided from this Education Institute. Now, research organizations. There are some research organizations which can be conducted by this organization, and various kinds of crop varieties can be developed from these organizations. There are various kinds of research organizations such as BARI, BARI, Bangladesh Agriculture Research Institute, BRRI, Bangladesh Rice Research Institute, SRDI, Soil Resources Development Institute, etc. Now, DAE means Department of Agriculture Extension. The main function of this organization is to build up a linkage between farmers and research institute. On the other hand, if research institute can develop any kind of technology, then the main function of DAE is to transfer this technology or to motivate the farmers about this technology. Now, AIS, most importantly, Agriculture Information Service, very much important. NGO means non-government organization, and finally Internet. Now, dear students, it's time to know about some important agriculture educational institute. That is name of some important agriculture education institute which have been given by Diploma Certificate Provider Institute, that is ATI means Agriculture Training Institute. 13 government and more than 1000 institute non-government. LTI means Livestock Training Institute, there is 2, that is one is Gaibandha, another is Sylhet. And VTI, Veterinary Training Institute, that is 2, Mymensingh and Kustia. These are the Diploma Certificate Provider Institute, ATI, LTI, VTI. Now, another important education institute that give BS or Honours degree, only BS or Honours degree, not MS degree. That is, one is Borisha Government Veterinary College, Dirajpur Government Veterinary College, Jhinaitu Government Veterinary College, and many more government college in Bangladesh. Now, some important education institute that give MS or PhD degree, that is some Agriculture University, Bangladesh Agriculture University, which is situated in Mymensingh, SAOU, Sher-e-Bangla Agriculture University, situated in Dhaka, BSM Rao, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Agriculture University, situated in Gazipur, and finally Sylhet Agriculture University, situated in Sylhet. Here the function of BAU, very much important, and this is the largest, most agriculture university and one of the most important agriculture university in Asia and in Bangladesh. And the function of this university is they can develop various kinds of crop variety, and they can give various kinds of degree, that is PS honors degree, MS master's degree, and also PhD degree. They can provide various kinds of technology to the farmers. They can conduct agriculture workshop for improvement of knowledge of the farmers. So this is the very much important organization, and the function of this institute or university is very much important for your applied based question. So this is the education institute. Now some research organization, name of some research organization, that is one is BARI, Bangladesh Agriculture Research Institute, that is situated in Joydeeppur, Gazipur. The headquarters is Joydeeppur, Gazipur. BRRI, Bangladesh Rice Research Institute, this is also in Joydeeppur, Gazipur. BAJRI, Bangladesh Jute Research Institute, this is situated in Dhaka. And BTRI, this is Bangladesh Tea Research Institute, situated in Sylhet. There are many more another research organization, that is SRDS, Soil Research and Development Institute, that is situated in Dhaka. BINA, Bangladesh Institute of Nuclear Agriculture, situated in Mymensingh. BFRI, Bangladesh Fisheries Research Institute, situated in Jamalpur. So this is a very much important research organization. From this research organization, these two items, BARI and BRRI, the functions of these two research organizations is very much important for your applied based question. So first of all, BARI, Bangladesh Agriculture Research Institute, the function of this, they can provide, they can invent or they can develop Bangladesh various kinds of crop varieties, such as various kinds of dal varieties or vegetable varieties, except rice. This organization can develop various kinds of crop varieties, also develop various kinds of machinery technologies, can develop important technologies about weeding, can develop important techniques of applying irrigation water or drainage system. So these are the important function for this institute. And BRRI means Bangladesh Rice Research Institute. From this full meaning of this organization, we can see that this institute is only for rice. So rice varieties or any kind of technologies related to rice can be developed by this or from this institute. So these functions are also very much important for your exam. Now various important thing, that is one kind of source, that is AIS. A means agriculture, I means information, and S means service. AIS very much important for your exam. AIS was developed in 1969 as a name of agriculture information system, and in 1980 it can be developed. It was developed, or it was named as Agriculture Information Service. So this is very much important for a knowledge based question. Now most importantly, main purpose of this institute is to deliver the technologies to the farmers, which can be developed by from these sources. So and main important thing, that is activities. First of all, print media. Print media means some newspapers or some books or leaflets. This is called print media. It can help to deliver knowledge from AIS. Now next, electronic media, that is radio, television, etc. are electronic media. These are also helpful to deliver knowledge. And finally, ICT media. ICT media means various kinds of ICT item or internet item. They can help to deliver the knowledge. And lastly, the internet. Most important, the internet. Internet helps us in various ways nowadays, because now we can pass a digital age. So internet can play a vital role. By internet browsing, we can find out various kinds of thing or important item whenever we need. So internet is also very much important. Now it's time to know about important discussion of board question in related to applied and higher order ability based question. First of all, here is system come from Rajshahi Kumila 2018. Here Jewel and Kader are two friends. After completing his studies, he visited a research institute located in Jodhpur, Gazipur. After going there, he find out the institute only conducts on research on rice. So far, the institute has developed 62 varieties on rice. Most of them are high yielding variety. Question number C. What is the name of the institute mentioned in this stream? Here, the name of the institute mentioned in the stream, we can see that this institute can conduct on rice. So, the name of the institute is BRRI, that is Bangladesh Rice Research Institute. And how the explain the assistance of this institute? Obviously, this can assist to the farmers by developing various kinds of crop varieties, various kinds of machinery technologies and vice versa. So, this is the answer of this question. Now, question number D, that is how this institute affect for fulfilling the demand of population. So, this the answer will be this can help to fulfill the demand of population, because for increasing the demand of huge population, crops varieties must be needed, and after developing crops varieties, rice is a staple food. So, for fulfilling rice demand, these crop varieties can be conducted by this institute, Bangladesh Rice Research Institute. Now, Dhaka Board 2018, here two STEM, that is one is laptop and another is mobile phone, figure 1, figure 2. Question number C, according to the figure, how figure number 2 they can play a vital role. Figure number 2 that can help, that can play a vital role, that is it can indicate a mobile phone, and with the help of mobile phone, various kinds of things we can search after by internet browsing. We can find out various kinds of things. If any kind of problems we can face or farmers can face, can operate the after by mobile phone, they can find out various kinds of knowledge or gain various kinds of knowledge. Now, question number D, that is which one is beneficial between figure 1 and 2? Obviously, figure 2 is more beneficial than figure 1, because figure 1, that is indicating laptop. These farmers, most of the farmers are unable to use this laptop because of financial crisis or their knowledge or technical knowledge. So, figure 2, that is mobile phone, they can bear mobile phone after getting loan, or they can cover financial crisis. They can use mobile phone, and this can help to earn various kinds of agriculture knowledge. So, this is the answer. So, dear students, today this is all about our today's class. Hope you will understand very well, and if you have any question, that please consult with your subject teacher. Allah Hafiz.